In this video we show the assembly of Liebherr's LR1500 Crawler Crane. Throughout its operational range, the LR1500 Crawler Crane delivers the lifting capacities of the 500-ton crawler crane class, while maintaining the dimensions and component weights that were previously standard in the 400-ton class. It has small dimensions and can be carried anywhere in the world because its components have a maximum weight of 45 tons and a maximum width of 3 meters. The LR1500 is not only easy to travel and use, but it is also simple to set up and operate. The primary hoist unit is capable of handling all hoists up to the maximum lifting capacity. For heavyweight hoists, this eliminates the requirement for a second winch in dual mode.